Good morning, Balers, and welcome to today's Baler Bulletin. I'm Ethan Pagulayan.
And I'm Courtney Galvan.
Aesop was a Greek storyteller credited with a number of fables, now collectively known as Aesop's Fables. Although his existence remains unclear, numerous tales credited to him were gathered across the centuries and in many languages in a storytelling tradition characterized by anthropomorphic animal characters.
He must have been quite an interesting person. One thing that he said was that the level of our success is limited only by our imagination and no act of kindness, however small, is ever wasted.
There will be a unified soccer game every Thursday at lunch in the main quad. Games may be canceled pending weather, and the last game is today. Make sure to come out and support.
Auditions for the Adams family are this week. Auditioners need to prepare a song to sing and wear comfortable clothing and shoes as they will learn to dance. Auditions will be held in the auditorium Thursday, December 9th from 6 to 9, Friday, December 10th from 6 to 9, and Saturday, December 11th from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. You only need to attend one audition day.
A group of avid students are completing a community service learning project by helping a third grade classroom in Sunny Slope School by gifting them a bookshelf. So if there are any children's books that you would like to donate, please drop them off in room 241 in Miss Hernandez's room.
Please note that there will be no video bulletin next week. Our team needs to be at our best for the end of the semester.
And that's it for today's Baler Bulletin. We hope to see you there. Then remember,
Go
Balers!